we really we want them presence more. Not just drive through. They like to know so them more in the place that people see them more. The police, we need the police.
This is another MyView TV exclusive. Please remember to hit the notification bell, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see up my natural talent. Let me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple, man.
I go on, my people. Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing alright. Forget all the bad things you encounter this week and have a wonderful weekend. Yeah, man, today it's Friday. Happy Friday, each and every one. But let me tell the people them something. On notice how them major and the minor things. One and two things them really highlight and them bring to the forefront for the people them here who are going. Me say, when is it we're going to start hold people accountable for them actions? When we're going to start with that? You notice how the whole of them run with the little clock set on a flat bridge and then the whole of them run with the local youth. We are talking about him more and be this and him more and be that. Me tell you the same one, him them forget slap for a long time. But me not dealing with that topic them right now. Me a talk about this lady here.
I did feel some belly pain, but it never unbearable. So I say, alright, let me watch this. When I feel it, I get too frequent. I say to the nurse, I say, nurse, I don't like what the pain I feel. Should I do vitals? I still stay one place because I don't know what is going to happen. One other nurse come, Armstrong, what do you? I say, I don't know. Come here, tell you the water broke. And my baby like me now, no sense. I'm going to lay down, and I feel the baby go down. And she come up, and I know say, the next time she go down, she go come out. When I say, nurse, take her out. The baby just fly right out in front of her. And she just walk away. I say, remember I said to the girl on the phone, I said, she born. And she said, take her, put her up on your chest. But it looked like the card never come out good. So it never tall enough. So the only thing I could do, I take her and put her right here so I wrap her up. So when Missy say come out now, I just take up it, and take up the baby, and put her in the towel and I wrap her up. And I wrap her up because I don't know if she have a faint heartbeat or what. Not even if I take the baby and carry her go over maternity and left me, make me stay there. And you try to save the baby, that you go to me say you can't do nothing. From all along, them said I'm going to carry me if I go do it. It not do. Then when the baby there, them going to tell me them want to do. I tell them I not do nothing. Okay, ma'am, that's up to you when you walk away. I'm going to say back no more doctor from that. Them just move on like it's business as usual, nothing happen. Armstrong, time for your medication. Armstrong, you want food? If yes, if no, business as usual. The loving Prime Minister and the loving Health Minister, they need to investigate, not just this. Anybody else will complain because we're not lying.
Ask the question again. When is it we're going to start holding them accountable for them action? A long time I tell about over the hospital there, and I think they joke me and make member people go over there for coal and them something there and them get drop out. I never joke me that I couldn't say it for myself. But something needs to be done. But big up Arlene Henry, if she never come out and say something, then they would have said the government try to jump on the wagon now. But Arlene says she going to provide legal support for this lady here. Because she need justice, you understand? To be honest with you now, people, me not gonna like her. I know say me can't play hypocrite, you know. Me don't know what form of justice she gonna get. But I hope say this thing don't happen again to nobody else. That's the only form of justice me see tonight, you know, because guess what, the woman done lose her picnic already, you know. Come talk to them here, Arlene.
She had called earlier on in the week, and today was her best time. And as far as this office is concerned, we stand ready to give her whatever help we can in keeping with our mandate, and also to go further to provide her with such legal counsel and legal representation of her choice. We want to hear from Miss Armstrong first. Her version.
Yes.
We want to get her statement.
A statement from her.
From her. And thereafter, we will approach and make a plan as to how to investigate this matter, what assistance we need. And like I said, this office, we have funds to assist persons to up legal representation. What are the standards? There have to be standards, and the standards must be in keeping with the Charter of Rights that have already been set by the Southeast Regional Health Authority. This is something that we have been in discussion with PROMAC, and to think it's ironic that the Spanish Town Hospital has one of these high dependency maternity units. But this young lady, according to the reports that have come out, have been allowed to suffer the most despicable levels of indignity.
Perhaps the authorities will start considering that when events like that happen at hospital, the hospital involved shouldn't investigate itself.
Up yourself, Arlene, and I'm going to keep the people them posted. Yes, I'm going to make the people them know exactly what going on in this one here. Wicked man, Chris and Oldness, the two on the come, I make I tell you something now. I saw a spokesperson come out and attack.
Primarily and fundamentally, the welfare of our citizens who interact with the healthcare system is paramount in the consciousness of the government. And I just want to reiterate again our sincere condolences to the mother who lost her child. And we can assure that the Ministry of Health and the government is looking into the matter, and there's an investigation taking place, the results of which will be made public so that people will appreciate what the circumstances were and if actions need to fall and who they will fall on.
Let me ask you a question. When I get the findings, what am I going to do? That me want to know. Because normally when they get the findings, we know what we do, you know. Only just cover it up and only send them down our next part when our next hospital go work. So I can tell you this, because you say you can assure us something. Whole heap of head of a roll. Anybody boy you can't find them uncle, them brother, them cousin, or them father, some male relative, don't need to worry. I find him phone forward right now, come say for him this. An unidentified man was discovered trapped to death on Delacree Lane, Payneland Avenue in Kingston 11 on Tuesday, June 8. The victim, who was clad in a white marina and a jeans pants, is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 5 feet 10 inches and a little tubes. Reports from the Huntsville police are that at about 5:10 p.m., citizens saw a group of men dragging a man's body onto an open lot and summoned the police. Upon arrival of lawmen, the victim was discovered lying in a pool of blood with multiple chop wounds. Hold on there, hold on. One day for over Brownsville and him come from. Nobody missing everybody over Brownsville, because remember the two places them a war, you know. So the people them round there, so if you're not missing him, only can go up at the mark and body up there. I only patch up and stab him getting him head side. Me I tell you no. Me don't know why the police them come attack, but them rush him to the hospital. He was pronounced dead. A dead man no pick up from you, see the man them dry mouth. What you did think? Eh? They tell you about the news. So now, let me give you the update. The police are investigating yet another gun attack in central Kingston. 2 men were shot by thugs on Wednesday night. They have been hospitalized. At about 8:30 p.m., the men went to Fleet Street to purchase items when they were shot in a drive-by attack. Let me tell the people them something. One of them who the boy them come for get shot. Yes, his name start with J. Looking at the comment section, somebody will tell you what his name is. Him is a known troublemaker. Him is a known troublemaker. The paper them run for the Almantown side can tell you no. They can tell you no paper. Them tell you, see the comment section already, you know. It's MCM1. Pepper reaching but it not drop out yet. Several persons have been shot and killed in Kingston Central Division in the last few weeks. The incident has been linked to gang feud. So me going to take a walk, go back down a Red Town. Yes, me go back down a Red Town because the man come out again and attacking up people. I think somebody need help out. The man is not really mad, surely look mad.
How many people have to die before the government takes action on behalf of the people of communities in Central Kingston? We have been calling for a ZOSO just to interrupt the cycle of violence. It is not a long-term solution. It is meant to interrupt the cycle. Police are trying, but they are under resource.
Central Kingston 3 Musketeers, come here. Rosie, Donovan, and you, Imani, try to come here. I can tell you something. It's when the police them come down, they can have ball for more police, and the police them slap with all of the people them on, you know. Uno see man come out, come Black Road with them. Yes, uno see them one. So what do you want the police them for do? What more you want the police them for do? Here what? We're going to allow them fiangle and bangle themselves, you know. All of them.
I was even in the space yesterday and the residents were saying that, you know, the relationship, the police are really in the space and they're seeing them, they're having a very good relationship with the police, something that has not happened for years.
People would have asked who's the lady behind the voice, Marjorie Jones. That is her, it's not Stephanie, and nobody can ask me if she sound brighter than Stephanie. I don't know if all I want care. But make I tell you something right now, people. Police, them have them look on you talk when them a run with and it work for them. They must make everybody know say them in the space. So, you go in the space, okay? And allow the people them angle and bangle in them own space. Nobody get involved, because when they get involved, remember the politician them are going to come out. And at the same politician them are going to call in the community. So you think say police them are phone? The police them alone for angle the bangle. Just call the police when the body them for pick up. Yes, and when them throw it in the Jeep and them something. Tell a friend, tell another friend, come check us out. And remember today is Friday. Oh, I see them rob the garbage truck, man. Them and my son talk about that paper because the man never left a bag.